Just expect me to slide in the DM.
Hey guys, welcome to Simon's Toy Review. Today we're reviewing a child's toy called Nerf Nano Fire. So now we're gonna open our toy. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll eat 100 Happy Meals of Barbie toys. I think it's opening. Like and subscribe. Wait, can you cut the video until it when I actually open it? Wait, I got it. I got this, bro. Hey guys, so wait, where are you? So guys, this is our toy. Where are? No. Okay, guys. So guys, so first what you want to do is you want to put the bullets over here that you don't get. Put one bullet over here. Also guys, before we start, this video is sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends. Okay guys, so you see this? Those are my friend's responsibilities. And this is how our gun works. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe.